welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about how to dress up for winter and then how to prevent dry skin. I've said in a couple of my videos, I think the video that I was talking about my skincare routine, about how I usually get dry during winter. So I talked to a couple of friends, and then I also get itchy skin. So I talked to a couple of friends, and then they told me that I should try using Vaseline. So currently, this is my second winter, and my skin, even though it gets dry, it doesn't get dry as it used to be when I first came to Canada. So this is what I use for my body, this and this. And I learned on TikTok yesterday that if you want it to be effective, you have to pump a little bit of this, and then you pump a little bit of this, and you mix it together, and then you apply them on your body. And then sometimes when I feel that it's getting really dry, what I use is Vaseline. Vaseline works, like it stops the itchiness, it stops the scratching and everything. So to prevent the itchiness, I'll recommend Vaseline. It's just like $4. So what I do is I pump a little bit of this. I feel my hands are getting dry, that's why I'm doing this. So you wrap them together, then put them on your body. So that's it. So let's go on to the point for today. So I'm going to show you guys the clothes I'm wearing today. I'm going to volunteer at a food bank, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to wear because it's currently negative 17 degrees, I think. I'm going to show you what I'm going to wear today. So I'm going to start from here. All these are thermal wears. I'll add the price and everything to it. This is a thermal wear, it's made of 100% polyester. This is the trousers. This is the top. And then I'll wear this top, and I'll wear this trousers. But I'm going to wear this really thick socks. It's really thick. And then I'm going to put this on my head. For most of you that don't know, most of the heat from your body goes through your head. That's what we were told. So if you put on a cap whilst, even if you are feeling too cold at night, you can just put on a beanie and then sleep. You're going to be alright. So then I'll put this around my neck and this jacket. I'm just going to add the prices of all the stuff. So if anybody went where I got them, I got this from Urban Planet. Got this I don't remember. This is also from Urban Planet. This was free. I think I bought this from Ghana. I got this as a gift from Baba, and I bought this from Dollarama. So I'm going to dress up and show you guys. I'm still going to keep this black top on. So negative 17 is actually pretty cool. It gets really colder than that. And the jacket I bought from Urban Planet is really heavy. So when I wear it, I don't usually feel cold. I'll wear this one. So I have my top on. The next thing is to wear my thermal wear trousers. The camera can't go down, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to wear. So the next top is wearing this. It has a long neck already, so that is also a good thing. So I forgot to add this. When it gets really cold and you don't protect your ears, you are going to get frostbite. Your ears, the cells are going to die, and then it will turn black. And if you don't take care of it for a long time, you will have to cut your ears. So yes, I bought this from Dollarama. I'm going to add a price on everything that I'm wearing to the video. So this is how we wear this one. Wear it like wearing headphones. It's really cool. So now I'm going to wear my down. But first, the second thing I'm going to wear is to wear my thick socks because it's cold as hell. Look at this. It goes all the way up to here. Yes. Oh my God, Jesus. So everything else is done. Left with the final trousers, which is so because I have all my windows closed, my heater on from the room. I'm beginning to feel hot. But that is a good thing. That means I'm keeping myself warm and then I'm not going to get cold. I don't even have my jacket on yet. And I'm beginning to feel really, really hot. So, all that is done. I'm gonna put on my hat. Oh, should have actually. One thing is during winter, nobody dresses to please anyone. We are all trying to keep ourselves warm. Nobody cares about how you look. This actually covers my ears, but I'm still going to put on this one because it's not thick enough. And then this jacket is really, 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 really warm inside. I like puff jackets. This is my first puff jacket I bought. I'm gonna keep this in my bag when I feel I'm getting too cold. Then I put it on. You can wear gloves. Let me show you my gloves. And then you can put on hand gloves. I don't usually wear the hand gloves because I've seen Shiggy with gloves, so I rather put my hands in my pocket and keep them in my pocket. Because with that, you have all your 5 fingers inside and then it will keep you warm. But we have this 5, the separate ones like this. It's worse when it's really, really cold. It gets so cold that I think the inside of the gloves also gets cold. So your hands start to hurt. Like if you've been in like a cold place, for those of you that have actually worked in cold stores or something, you know that like when you feel cold, you feel like your body is crashing, body pains, like some pains. So I don't usually wear gloves, but for now, I don't know. I'm not going to wear it. I don't know how cold it's really going to get. I just keep my hands in my pocket. But if you want to keep warm, you should wear gloves. I'll recommend the mittens. I think that's how they call it. It's called mittens. You put all 5 fingers in it. That one is better than the separate ones. So I'm done for the day, guys. I'm ready to go. I'm going to show you guys my shoe. I got this from Ghana. I got it from Kantamanto. Hey guys, I'm winter already. Cold where? Cold can't cut me. You can't catch me. So I'm feeling so hot right now. But I'm still maintaining beauty. Y'all, looking at myself in the mirror now, I can see that I'm still maintaining beauty. So this is what I'm wearing. I wish I could show you guys my full fit, but I'm getting a tripod from Temu soon, so now I'm giving you guys back-to-back content and full body because this my tripod is so short. This is how I look. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna catch you somewhere Sunday. Bye.